Here begins our camping journey.
Step by step, forward we go.
Looking for the right spot. The forest watches silently. This is where work starts. The antenna was startled.
Looking for the right spot.
Ground strength really matters.
Planning comes before building.
Just clearing, nothing permanent.
Basic preparation starts quietly.
Tools ready, work comes later. Fire for warmth, not work. Frozen ground demands real strength.
Every inch takes serious effort.
Foundation decides everything later.
Bad cuts waste good trees.
Logs must earn their place.
Nothing moves without effort.
Logs must earn their place. Small errors grow into disasters.
Strong base, long road ahead. Walls start from careful measurements. First posts must stand strong.
Every beam counts for structure.
Step by step, walls rise. Stability comes from small adjustments. Roof starts with careful placement.
Each beam locks the structure.
Roof slowly takes its shape.
Panels protect against winter snow.
Coating adds strength and beauty. Doors give both access and safety. Tables need perfect measurements. Table frame must be perfectly straight. Windows bring light inside. Furniture completes the shelter.
Cutting main gate with careful precision. Installing glass makes cabin light inside.
chairs begin with careful cutting.
Strong joints make sturdy chairs.
Strong joints make sturdy chairs.
Tables need perfect measurements.
Table frame must be perfectly straight.
Bed frame starts with solid cuts.
Strong bed ensures good rest.
Sofas need comfort and strength. Sofas need comfort and strength.
Every detail improves comfort.
Lighting brightens every corner.
Electrical work ensures safe light.
Heater adds warmth to cabin.
Every piece finds its perfect place.
Cooking done, time to eat together. Preparing breakfast for a cozy morning.
Hard work turned into perfect home.